Hi everyone, my name is Nisha. Welcome back to my channel Pretty Petals.
Aadhvik. I show you how to build this. It comes with stickers. It will come from blocks. Some blocks to build. It's stickers. You open everything up. Whoa! It comes to this. We have a lot of building blocks, and it comes to. And I found the stickers. This is how many stickers we can get. And we have a map. This is how the map looks like, but you need how to build it. So, let's start. You need somebody to connect them together. There's one piece there, hole there, and you keep it. You keep it like this every time. You keep it like this every time. See this? This is how it looks like. Now you need some yellow parts. Yellow parts. Right. So you keep it like this. Push this together very hard. Now the same thing on the other side. Now we need some green blocks. Do this one later. Do this one tightly. This is how to do it. Oh, I did it, guys. Now this is how the same thing on the other side. This way. Right there. I'll keep this right here. You keep this right here. Now do the same thing on the other side. Okay. I know how to do it, but guys, I did same time. Wendy's. You have Wendy's. I'm going to get fire up. Yeah. Now we do this. That. Now I need the same we have together. Now we need the yellow part. A yellow do like this. So we can do. I did it. Now let's do the same side on the other side. Let's connect these together. On the other side, we needed to do the same time. It's broken again. I don't know how to build this. So I'm going to help. We'll be right back. So I did it, guys. You do a wall on the other side. Now we keep it the same. This side. Now you can keep this side. Oh, it got split out. So that's okay because we'll fix it. Guys, this is how you do it. Tippy toppy top. I just don't know how to keep actually. So I need to do this for myself. It's this part. Oh. Now you keep this on the top. Tippy toppy top. I just don't know how to keep it. So I need to do this for myself. That's okay. This is how you do it. It's not a monster truck. It's a bike. It's a bike.